This is how I wax a inner thigh area. I pick up a nice generous amount of wax because I want to do a big strip, especially if this is going to be like an add-on to a Brazilian. It shouldn't take you any additional time. This is the pink bush beads wax, so we already know she about to dry it really fast because it's the same exact formula as the OG wax. This one obviously is just pink. Okay, let's go ahead and remove this wax with the curve. You can stagger or you can do a relaxed pull, but you want to make sure those are your two options because you don't want to break or damage any hairs. And she gonna pick up something, okay? She leaving here with something, especially knowing that my wax model didn't exfoliate because this is one of those services where I didn't know I was going to record her. I just happened to notice she let those grow out, so I did it. This is another way I like to apply my wax strip when I'm doing a cleanup, especially if a lot of the hairs are still growing down. And I just pull at an angle. That's just really simple. You just want to literally lift your wax strip up like this and then get ready to do it like you're flipping the page of a book. I don't know how to explain it. But I promise you, this way it's going to slay every time, especially those little trapped hairs underneath the skin. Like, y'all see that? Now, remember, if you would like to try the pink bush beads wax, I do have Bush Balm linked in my link tree. Go there, create your free pro account to try this wax out. It is a limited edition, and we love, love, love the story behind it. 10% of every bag sold goes towards the Breast Cancer Research Foundation. Now, go ahead and follow up with that sass, a little bit of that aftercare oil, and we are all good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. If your favorite color is pink, don't skip this video, or if you just like my waxing videos, of course, stick around. We got that Jenny from the pot, that's the hot pink, and then we have the pink bush beads, that's the light pink, and we're just mixing it together. My wax model came in and she was like, girl, I saw your video yesterday with that stomach and I want the mix. And I said, say less. I got you, boo. We're about to do a little S3. S3 is literally the sexy application with a little bit of slow-mo and snatcheration. I feel like I started this because people were telling me like, oh my God, you switch out the wax strips. Like, what you mean? You can see right there, baby. She's snatching. She's doing what she's supposed to do, okay? Don't play with wax lady like that. Put some respect on my name. Look at this. Look at this mix. I did this one with more of the pink bush beads, and then I did the other underarm using more of the Jenny from the pot. So y'all gonna have to let me know in the comments. Do you like mix number 1 or do you like this one and mix number 2? I like mix number 2. I just feel like that hot pink just got something sexy happening with the little peekaboo with the pink bush beads. You already know. Now, if you want to get your hands on any one of these waxes, please visit my link tree. I have them both there. And actually, Jenny from the pot, the hot pink, she's on sale. So use code Jenny20. Do not use code Waxing Queen. That's only 10%. Y'all know I got y'all, okay? Use code Jenny20 so you save 20% off. Follow up with that pretty kitty and body oil, and we are all good to go. And guess what I did also? Give you a little sneak peek of this coochie lip strip. She was snatching. Thanks for watching. Bye.
When it comes to grabbing the hair on the tailbone area, not every client has the same mobility, so therefore you can always have the client lay flat on their stomach, or you can also have them lay on their side. This is a perfect way of getting the tailbone area and making sure you're not missing any hair.